Bleeding radiator is important when your pressure is higher than expected. Every manufacturer have their own recommended pressure gauge. Like mine, the Logic Combi 35 have 1 to 1.5. So find the radiator bulb where you can release the pressure, and that has to be with the bulb key. You can just move to anti-clockwise, and the water will be keep coming up, and that's why you can easily reduce the pressure. You can see just I move that small hole towards my bucket and just use that bulb key to release the pressure, and release the pressure until it's coming to your desired measure, like 1 to 1.5 or as per your recommended by your manufacturer. Yeah, that's easy. You don't need to do much on that, and you can easily move it. Sometimes it may not be enough for one radiator, you may need to try with another radiator, and that you can try. And if that's still not resolve the problem, and you need to contact your specialized person. The thing to remember, you make sure you turn off the boiler before bleeding it, otherwise it may got hot water. That was it then. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.